Hi everyone. Welcome to Exam Cracks. This video contains Microsoft Azure Fundamentals Exam AZ-900 questions 81 to 100. Question number 81. Select the answer that correctly completes the sentence. Azure Site Recovery provides dash for virtual machines. Your options are fault tolerance, disaster recovery, elasticity, high availability. The correct answer is disaster recovery. Question number 82. You plan to use Azure to host two apps named App 1 and App 2. The apps must meet the following requirements. You must be able to modify the code of App 1. Administrative effort to manage the operating system of App 1 must be minimized. App 2 must run interactively with the operating system of the server. Which type of cloud service should you use for each app? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Your options are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. The correct answers are App 1, platform as a service, App 2, software as a service. Question number 83. You have an accounting application named App 1 that uses a legacy database. You plan to move App 1 to the cloud. Which service model should you use? Your options are A. Platform as a service, B. Infrastructure as a service, C. Software as a service. The correct answer is B. Infrastructure as a service. Question number 84. Select the answer that correctly completes the sentence. When you are implementing a software as a service solution, you are responsible for. Your options are configuring high availability, defining scalability rules, installing the SaaS solution, or configuring the SaaS solution. The correct answer is configuring the SaaS solution. Question number 85. Select the answer that correctly completes the sentence. An Azure web app that queries an on-premises Microsoft SQL server is an example of a dash cloud. Your options are hybrid, multi-vendor, private, or public. The correct answer is hybrid. Question number 86. Select the answer that correctly completes the sentence. A Microsoft SQL Server database that is hosted in the cloud and has software updates managed by Azure is an example of. Your options are disaster recovery as a service, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, or software as a service. The correct answer is platform as a service. Question number 87. Which cloud computing model includes on-premises and cloud-based resources? Your options are A. Hybrid, B. Public, C. Private. The correct answer is A. Hybrid. Question number 88. Select the answer that correctly completes the sentence. Autoscaling is an example of. Your options are agility, elasticity, geo-distribution, or predictability. The correct answer is elasticity. Question number 89. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true. Otherwise, select no. Statement A. Azure Virtual Networks deployed to the same Azure region are connected by default. Statement B. Each Azure Virtual Network in a single resource group must have a unique name. Statement C. The Azure Virtual Network's address space must be unique within a subscription. The correct answers are Statement A. No. Statement B. Yes. Statement C. Yes. Question number 90. Which term represents the ability to increase the computing capacity of a virtual machine by adding memory or CPUs? Your options are A. Agility, B. Vertical scaling, C. Horizontal scaling, D. Elasticity. The correct answer is B. Vertical scaling. Question number 91. What are two benefits of cloud computing? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Your options are A. Enables the rapid provisioning of resources, B. Has increased administrative complexity, C. has the same configuration options as on-premises. D. Shifts capital expenditures to operating expenditures. The correct answers are A. Enables the rapid provisioning of resources. D. Shifts capital expenditures to operating expenditures. Question number 92. What is a feature of an Azure Virtual Network? Your options are A. Resource cost analysis. B. Packet inspection. C. Geo-redundancy. D. Isolation and segmentation. The correct answer is D. Isolation and segmentation. Question number 93. Select the answer that correctly completes the sentence. Dash enables Azure resources to be deployed close to users. Your options are elasticity, geo-distribution, high availability, or scalability. The correct answer is geo-distribution. Question number 94. Match the cloud computing benefits to the appropriate descriptions. To answer, drag the appropriate benefit from the column on the left to its description on the right. Each benefit may be used once, more than once, or not at all. A. Increase the compute capacity of apps in the cloud. B. Provide a continuous user experience with no apparent downtime. C. Ensure that users always have the best experience by deploying apps to all the regions where there are users. Your options are A. Disaster recovery. B. Geo-distribution. C. High availability. D. Scalability. The correct answers are A. Scalability. B. High availability. C. Geo-distribution. Question number 95. Which cloud computing benefit provides continuous user access to a cloud-based application with minimal downtime? Your options are A. Agility. B. Scalability. C. Elasticity. D. High availability. The correct answer is D. High availability. Question number 96. You need to identify the type of failure for which an Azure Availability Zone can be used to protect access to Azure services. What should you identify? Your options are A. A physical server failure. B. An Azure region failure. C. A storage failure. D. An Azure data center failure. The correct answer is D. An Azure data center failure. Question number 97. You plan to extend your company's network to Azure. The network contains a VPN appliance that uses an IP address of 131.107.200.1. You need to create an Azure resource that defines the VPN appliance in Azure. Which Azure resource should you create? To answer, select the appropriate resource in the answer area. Your options are NAT gateways, application gateways, local network gateways, virtual network gateways, on-premises data gateways, Azure Data Box Gateway, Azure Stack Edge, Data Box Gateway, Web Application Firewall Policies. The correct answer is local network gateways. Question number 98. You plan to deploy several Azure virtual machines. You need to ensure that the services running on the virtual machines are available if a single data center fails. Solution. You deploy the virtual machines to 2 or more resource groups. Does this meet the goal? Your options are A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is B. No. Question number 99. You plan to deploy several Azure virtual machines. You need to ensure that the services running on the virtual machines are available if a single data center fails. Solution. You deploy the virtual machines to a scale set. Does this meet the goal? Your options are A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is B. No. Question number 100. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true. Otherwise, select no. Statement A. An Azure subscription can be associated to multiple Azure Active Directory tenants. Statement B. You can change the Azure Active Directory tenant to which an Azure subscription is associated. Statement C. When an Azure subscription expires, the associated Azure Active Directory tenant is deleted automatically. The correct answers are Statement A, no. Statement B, yes. Statement C, no. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. If it is useful, please do go ahead and like, comment and share the video. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon below to get notified of my new videos. Take care until we meet next time.